Hello students, today we are going to start the third lesson of class 12, that is the human reproduction. Firstly, we see the definition of the reproduction. Reproduction is nothing but the production of similar organism. The new offspring are exactly similar to their parents. In case of human being, human is unisexual. Either it is male or it is female. It is the dioecious condition. Dioecious condition means two sexes are separate. So it shows sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism is nothing but the sexes are separate in separate body. Now we talk about the primary sex organ. In male, primary sex organ is testes, while in female, primary sex organ is ovaries. We know that human is viviparous in nature. Viviparous is nothing but give birth to directly young ones. There are some important phases during the process of reproduction. These phases are like that. The first phase we called gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is nothing but the formation of gamete. It is of two types, gametogenesis process. If the gametogenesis takes place in male, that we called spermatogenesis. In case of male, the sperm is the gamete, and that sperm is produced in testes of the male sex organ, and that process we called spermatogenesis. While the gamete formation process in female is called oogenesis. Here the formation of egg in the ovaries. After the gamete formation, the second phase of the reproduction is insemination. Insemination means transfer of male gamete into female body. The third phase that we called fertilization. Fertilization is the zygote formation process. Here the two gametes, that is the female gamete and male gamete, combine to each other and form the diploid structure zygote. After the zygote formation, cleavage process is there. Cleavage is nothing but the simple mitosis process, and that mitosis process takes place in zygote. Zygote undergoing repeated mitosis and form a 32-celled structure. That structure we called embryo. After cleavage, the next step is implantation. In implantation, developing embryo, which is formed during the mitosis division of zygote, it transfer into female uterus. After implantation, the next process that we called placentation. In case of this, placenta is formed, and placenta is the connection between maternal body fluid and the fetus body. After that, gastrulation process takes place. Gastrulation is nothing but the formation of 3 germ layer. We know that the human being is the triploblastic animals. There are 3 germs layer found in our body, that is the ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, and that germ layer are responsible for formation of the all type of the organ. So here the gastrulation process, that is the formation of 3 germ layer. After that organogenesis takes place. In this process, all organs of the embryo are developed, and the last phase of the human reproduction, that we call the parturition. Parturition is nothing but the delivery process. In that process, expelling of fully developed fetus from female body. These are the different events found in the human reproduction. Now we see the secondary sexual characters in male and female. Firstly, we see the secondary sexual characters in male. These are development of mustache and beards. Hairs growth on their face area, on their cheek area, hair in armpit, and gonad region. Hair developed on chest region. Shoulder gets broadened. Voice of male becomes low pitch. Because the Adam's apple are developed. Here the development of Adam's apple, that's why the voice of the male here change after puberty. These are the secondary sexual characters generally found in male, and these are shown at the after the age of in the age of puberty. It is near about 13 to 14 in case of male. Now we see the secondary sexual characters in female. In case of female, the development of breast is there. Hair in armpit and gonad region. Hip region becomes wide. And voice become sweet or high pitch. These are some secondary sexual characters generally found in females. Here we stop, guys. I hope you like that video. If you like that video, then share and subscribe it. Thank you.